Hello, SRU University. I'm Dr. Paige Gardiner from Southern Utah University. Thank you, SRU University, for hosting me. This is my first visit to India, and I've loved visiting your campus. I've been inspired by the beautiful buildings and also, most importantly, by your students. I can tell that they're bright, fun, have high characters, and are looking for exciting careers in business. I want to thank your faculty and your chancellor for hosting me. I've really enjoyed being here. I was able to teach a class. I was also able to have lunch with fellow faculty, and it's been wonderful to have a campus tour. So thank you for hosting me. I'm very grateful to be here. My name is Dr. Paige Gardiner, and I'm from Southern Utah University, which is about 20 hours away by plane. So I hope to visit again here in another year. Thank you for having me.